What's the meaning of ballistic missile? Ballistic missile. Ballistic missile.
Ballistic missile. Ballistic missile. A ballistic missile is a type of missile that follows a ballistic trajectory, which means it travels in a predetermined path through the atmosphere, using only the force of gravity and its own momentum. These missiles are designed to deliver a warhead to a specific target, and they can be launched from land, sea, or air platforms. Ballistic missiles come in a variety of ranges and sizes, and they can be armed with nuclear, conventional, or chemical warheads. These missiles are considered to be a major threat to national security, as they can cause devastating damage and loss of life if they are used in an attack.